Good morning, friends. Friends, we have started with the topic admission of a partnership, and we have done up to illustration number 7. So, friends, today we are starting with illustration number 8, right? So, take your all the pen, pencil, rubber, whatever you require. So, friends, we are starting with this topic, and this is very important sum also. All the sums are important. 8th and 9th, after that, we take the exercise questions. Okay. So you know that already we have discussed up to 7th question and maximum all the points has been covered. Now we are taking illustration number 8. So let's see, friends. Question is A and B sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 3:2. They admitted C for how much share? 1/5 of the profit, out of which he gets 1/20 from A and the remaining share from B. The first question is that we have to find this one, remaining share. Calculate the new profit and loss sharing ratio. They're asking to find the new ratio to us. So again the same thing, write down, start doing. The first we write the name, partners. Name of the partners are A, B, and finally the total. Now, what is the given thing is that old ratio is given to us. So, what is the old ratio? 3, 2, and total comes to 5. And now the point is what? They admitted C. I'm just putting a bracket here. So, we can bifurcate this one. Okay. Yes. Now, C, they admitted C. So, C share is fixed. How much? 1/5. While he gets 1/20 from A. So I can write A sacrifice from A. Directly they are saying. So we can say A sacrifice. So A sacrifice comes to 1/20. And they are asking to find remaining share of B. That they are asking to find B's sacrifice. The first thing we have to find this. And then we have to go for new ratio. So ready, friends? So we are starting the sum. So how to do? I want to calculate B sacrifice. So how I can do? It's very simple. B sacrifice is equal to C's share. The new one is the C minus who is giving the share? A is giving the share. So whatever the left portion is of B. So C share, what is the C share? That is 1/5. And what is the A sacrifice? It's 1/20. So if we do the LCM, it comes to 5 fours and it comes to 21. So 4 minus 1 upon 20, it comes to 3/20. It comes to 3/20. So it's clear now B is sacrificing 3/20. Now we are going to calculate A's. A's new ratio is equal to what is the A's old ratio? You can get here 3/5. And how much is A is going to sacrifice? See one figure very importantly. 1/20. So again the cross multiply, better we do the LCM. 5 fours are and 21s are. 3 fours are. 12 minus 1 upon 20, right? No? 3 fours are 12. 1 1s. Yes. So it comes to 11/20. B A's. Then we are going to calculate B's new ratio. So we are taking B's new ratio. So B's old is how much? 2/5. And B sacrifice comes to us around 3/20. Right? No. So that also here comes 3/20. Same thing. LCM I am taking 20. So here comes 4 and here comes 1. 2 fours are 8. 3 ones are 3. So 8 minus 3, it comes to 5 by 20. Now the new one, that is the C. C share is already given to us, that is 1/5. So 1 by 5, and here we have to just make our denominator same. So what is the denominator is 20 is there. So the denominator comes to 20. So by which number we can multiply? That is 4. 5 fours are 20. If the denominator is 4, the numerator is also comes to 4. So 4. So 4 by 20. So 11 is to 5 is to 4. So the new ratio we can say it's 11 is to 5 is to 4. Clear? One more time, a short revision. What they want to say, A and B are the partners and the ratio is 3 is to 2. That we have written here. Partners A, B and total. Right? Partners A, B and total. They admitted C for how much share? 1/5 share. So that we have written C share 1/5. Out of which he gets 1/20 from A. Clearly they says that A is sacrificing 1/20 and remaining share from B. And remaining from B means we have to calculate. That's why B sacrifice is equal to question mark. We don't know. Question is calculate the new profit and loss ratio. So we are starting. We have written in the table C share 1 by 5, A sacrifice 1 by 20. The first thing we are going to calculate B sacrifice. So the formula is B sacrifice is equal to C share, because the C share we have to give, minus A sacrifice. So C share comes to 1 by 5 minus A sacrifice. How much? 1 by 20. So 4 minus 1 by 20, it comes to 3 by 20. Clear? And after getting 3 by 20, that means we are get the 3 by 20. Now we are having the sacrifice. And we are having old. So old minus sacrifice, we get what? New. So let's see. A's new ratio is equal to, what is the C share? C share comes to 3 by 5 minus sacrifice. How much? 1 by 20. So 5 fours are, 3 fours are 12 minus 1. So it comes to 11 by 25. Then comes B new ratio. 2 by 5 minus, what is the B sacrifice? 3 by 20. So again the cross multiply, 2 fours are 8 minus 3 by 20. It comes to 5 by 20. Right, clear up to here. Now comes the C share. C share is equal to, already we have given how much? 1 by 5. Now we have to make 20 finally. So 5 fours are 20. So if denominator is 4, the numerator is also, we know it's 4. So 1 fours are 20. So our new ratio comes to 11 is to 5 is to 4. Clear? So now let's see friends, illustration number 9. A and B are the partners in a firm sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 4 is to 1. C is admitted as a new partner for 1/4 share in the firm. A sacrificed 1/4 of his share. This word is important, of. While the B sacrificed the remaining share of C. Calculate the new profit and loss sharing ratio. So friends, we can start the sum. Write down. First, the table we know we have to make. The first table comes partners, A, B, and finally comes total. Old ratio, 4, 1, total 5. Clear? First information, C is admitted as a new partner for 1/4 share in the firm. So first we can say C's share. So what friends? C share is how much? 1/4. That is over. A sacrificed 1/4 of his share. When the word 1/4 of, when the of comes, we know we have to multiply and then we have to calculate the sacrifice, right? So I am going to find A sacrifice. So how to do? 1/4. A is ready to sacrifice 1/4 of his share. So what is the A share? A share is, yes, 4/5. So I can just cancel this 4 and 4. I can get this 1/5. Clear? So A sacrifice comes to 1/5. While B sacrifice the remaining share. So remaining share, the same concept which we have done in the illustration number 8. So what we have to do? I have to calculate B sacrifice. So how to do? B sacrifice is equal to C share, the new one, minus A sacrifice. So let's see. Sorry. So what is the C share? C share is 1/4 minus A sacrifice 1/5. So I think we can do cross multiply. 5 1 minus 4 upon 20. It comes to 1/20. So B is ready to sacrifice 1/20th share. 1/20th share. Okay. Now let's see how to find the new ratio. We have find the sacrifice. Now we are going to find the new ratio. So what is the formula? New ratio is equal to old minus sacrifice. So let's see. I'm just writing the name. A's new ratio, B's new ratio, C's new ratio. A, B and C. So A's old ratio. What is the A's old ratio? 4/5. What is the B new old ratio? 1/5. And what is the C decided new? That is 1/4. Now we are sacrificing A and B. So what the A sacrifice? 1/5, right? Or do one thing, no, we can make 20 only. So there will be no issue also. So I'm just making this 4/20, not cancelling, because again the denominator will change. Again we have to do lot of work. So let be same as this. Okay, 4/20. Here comes 1/20. Now LCM is the best, I think so. 5 4s are 21s are 5 4s are 21s are. So here comes the 20. 4 4s are 16 minus 4. 1 4s are 4 minus 1 upon 20. So here comes 16 minus 14. It comes how much? 12/20. 4 minus 1, it comes to how much? 3/20. And now we have to make our denominator perfect. So how to do? Total we should get 20. So it comes 5/5. 4 5s are 20 and 5. So it comes 5/20. So our new ratio is 12:3:5. That is our final answer. 12:3:5. Okay. Are you seeing the textbook? 12:3:5. Just I want to check. Yes, 12:3:5, and the earlier some answer was 11 is to 5 is to 4. So friends, we have completed illustration 1 to 9. Right. So I think that you have practiced in a better way. So now let's start the exercise question. This is the exercise question. So if you see this sum, you can see the same sum, whatever we have done in the illustration. So let's see. What is the question? A and B are the partners, right? A and B are the partners. They share the profit and loss 3 is to 2. They admitted C as a new partner for 1/4 share, and they are asking to find two things. One is the new profit and loss ratio and the sacrifice ratio. So friends, how to start this? Already it is over. Now you should know what I am going to write and all. So how to do? The first we have to write partners A, B and total. Then what you have to write? In partners, what you have to write? Yes, old ratio. So what is the old ratio? 3 to 5. Okay, total I have done. Who is the new one? C. What is the C share? 1/4. Now the question is that who gives this 1/4? I already said to you, when such question arises, who will give the share? If it is not clear, how to do? Let the profit of the firm, be 1. Let the profit of the firm be 1. Now we are taking the question. Let the profit of the firm be 1. Now, in that, we have to give the first party C. C share comes to 1/4. Then we can do the remaining share, that is 1 minus 1/4. So it comes to us 3/4. Now we are starting with the sum. A's new ratio is equal to, A is already getting how much? 3 is to 2, that is 3/5. Now you get 3/5 from 3/4. In the same way, B's new ratio. B is also getting 2/5 earlier. But now he will get 2/5 from where? 3/4. Then comes C's new ratio. C's new ratio is already been fixed, that is 1/4. Here we have to just multiply and make our denominator perfectly. Okay. So 3 threes are 9. Here comes 20. 2 threes are 6. Here comes 20. Now 20 is there. So here we have what we have to come in denominator. It's come 5. Here also 5. So 5/20. Clear, friends? So what is our new ratio? The new ratio is 9 is to 6 is to 5. And they are asking one more thing to us. They are asking what? Sacrifice ratio. You are getting? Sacrifice ratio they are asking to us. Here they are written sacrifice ratio. And for that we have the new formula. Right? I'm just remembering our new ratio. Right? I'm just taking out this one and we have to go with the sacrifice ratio. So I have come with old ratio. I have come with the new ratio. New ratio, I remember 9 is to 6 is to 5 and the total comes to 20. While old ratio is 3 is to 2 dash total 5. So from with the help of this, how to find sacrifice? If you remember, we have done in the reconstruction of partnership, right now? So how to do? Let's start. The first name comes A's sacrifice ratio. What is the formula for sacrifice ratio? Old ratio minus new ratio. So what is the old? 3/5 minus what is the new? 9/20. Let's take the LCM only. It becomes simple. 5 fours are 21. 3 fours are 12 minus 9/20. It comes 3/20. Then comes the name B. B sacrifice. That is 2 by 5 minus 6 by 20. So here comes 4 and here comes 1. 20. 2 fours are 8 minus 6. That is 2 by 20. C doesn't arise only because it does not sacrifice only, it gains actually. So the sacrifice ratio between right A and B. So we can make the table also. Particulars A and B, and the sacrifice ratio is 3:2. Clear, friends? So two topics was there in the sum. Two topics we have learned in this particular sum. Next, see the next one. A and B are the partners of a firm and the ratio is 4 by 5 and 2 by 10. Right? They admitted C as a new partner for 20% profit of the firm. Okay, so in the coming period, you just revise the second question, third question, and the fourth question. I'm giving the homework to you. So just practice it. Which are the questions? Second, third, and fourth. So whatever we have done today, a short revision of that we can do. Illustration 8, I think is very clear. 1 by 20 from A and remaining share from B. Calculate the new profit and loss ratio. So we have done up to here. In this question also, it's clear that A is sacrificing 1/4, while B we have to find. So A sacrifice comes to this much, and for B we have to minus C share minus A. It comes to this much. And after that we have calculated the new ratio. Right? No? Right? No? And now the third question is, C is to be given 1/4. But the question is that no one says how much is to be given. So what we have done, let the profit of the firm be 1. Right. So these three sums we have seen today, and the earlier sums I just deleted so that you should know. First one, this illustration number 1, it's resemble to exercise question number 1. Right, A and B sharing profit and loss 3:2. C admitted 1/4 in the profit. Calculate the new ratio. So how to do? Let the profit of the firm be 1. Profit be 1. And after that, what we have to do? We have to give to the new one. C. How much? 1 by 4. After that, what we have to do? We have to calculate the remaining share. What is the remaining? 1 minus 1 by 4. Left with 3 by 4. Now A. A is 3 by 5 into 3 by 4. 9 by 20. Clear? B comes to us 2 by 5 into 3 by 4. 6 by 20. And then comes C. C comes to us 1 by 4 into 5 by 5. 5 by 20. 9 plus 6 plus 5. You should always remember that when you make the total, it should always equal to 1. I just make the total so you can get clear very easily. So what's the total I have done? 9 plus 6 plus 5, that comes the 20. 20 by 20, it comes to 1. Clear? That we have done, friends, first one. Second also near about same only. C is admitted in the future. This sum is little bit different. Future one, you know that. After that we have to multiply and all. I'm seeing the percentage type sum. It is not given to you. Okay, no problem. So this is the question. So I just giving what we say. They admitted C share. That is C share is equal to 20%. That is 20 upon 100. So we can say 1 by 5. Right. So it's clear now. A and B are the partners, 4 by 5, 2 by 10, and C share is 1 by 5, and they are asking to find the new ratio. No one is saying, let the profit of the firm be 1. Right. So let's start that. Let the profit of the firm be 1. C share, how much? 1 by 5. This you have to practice at home, that's why. In the next period, we will do this. C share 1 by 5. Just you calculate with me. C share 1 by 5. Remaining share 1 minus 1 by 5. It comes to 4 by 5. Now A is getting 4 by 5. Now he gets from this 4 by 5. So it comes 20 upon 25. B share. B is getting 2 by 10. Now he will get from 4 by 5. So now 4 twos are 8 by 50. Then comes C share. C is getting how much? 1 by 5. And just we have to make the LCM. So better is 50. I take into 25. So it comes to us 4 by 25. So here 25. So 5 by 5. You're getting no? 5 by 25. So if you add this 20, this one, sorry. 4 fours are 16. If you add this 16 plus 4 plus 5 upon 25, you get 25 by 25 by 25. Final answer comes to 1. Right? So your new ratio, our new ratio is what, friends? 16 is to 4 is to 5. And how to calculate the sacrifice ratio? How to calculate the sacrifice ratio? What is the formula? The formula is old minus new. So already old is there with us, and just we have to find the new, right? So old minus new, we get this one. Okay, I'm rubbing this because no need to see and write. You just, sorry. You just calculate. And what about illustration number 3? A and B are the partners. They admitted C for 1/6 share. After admission of share, the new profit and loss ratio of A, B is 2:2. This is the same sum illustration number 2. Illustration number 2 में जो करवाया था ना, सेम कंसेप्ट है, थोड़ा अलग रहेगा, ये आपको प्रैक्टिस करोगे आप. A and B are the partners sharing profit ratio 2:1. They admitted C as a new partner. C will acquire from A. ये word आपने ध्यान दिया, from A. When the word from comes, so whatever is given that we have to follow. यानी इसी को लेके हम सम करेंगे, right? और इसी को लेके हम सम करेंगे 1 by 20 and 3 by favor of D, right? So यहां तक हमने किया है. 5th मैंने आपको बताया है, इलस्ट्रेशन है. जस्ट सी द इलस्ट्रेशन प्रॉपरली. इसमें सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है, आई एम रिपीटिंग द सेम थिंग, दैट इज द प्रैक्टिस. इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू डू द प्रैक्टिस, इट बिकम्स वेरी टफ फॉर अस. नहीं कर पाएंगे हम. सो रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस करो, राइट? रेगुलर यू हैव टू डू द प्रैक्टिस. वी कैन गेट द वेरी वेरी गुड मार्क्स, राइट? तो 5th मैंने यहां तक बोला आपसे, इलस्ट्रेशन नंबर यस. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट हो चुका है, सेकंड से करेंगे हम. सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, राइट, एंड 5th. सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ एंड 5th, ये आपको प्रैक्टिस करके रेडी रहना है. तो क्या नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में आप आराम से देख के अच्छी तरीके से कर सकते हैं. ओके, ओके देन फ्रेंड्स, थैंक यू.